here's the game. I'm going to teach you how to cook Dylan here some tuna pasta. But here's the catch. Me and Dylan here are going to be under the spell of some certain cookies with some certain psychoactive qualities. Down the hatch. Here you go, Dylan. Where are my manners? Cheers. Oh yeah, I can taste it. That was a nutmeg. The nutmeg was a good addition.
Was it?
It was good.
I'm glad. I'm glad.
And now we wait.
That was beautiful.
Time has passed. We watched an episode of Atlanta and we watched an episode of Dave. So the first step you need in cooking the tuna pasta, the first thing you need to
Alright, seeing as though I was struggling a bit, here's the deal. Dylan is going to introduce the ingredients to me by tossing them to me while I'm blindfolded. That's it. That's the game.
Okay, Dylan, what ingredient do you want to introduce first? Oh! What was... What's that?
Oh,
What was that?
your charger. Cold, cold, cold. Colder, colder. Cold, cold.
Dylan, what do you want from me?
Left, left, put left, left. Okay, stop, stop, stop.
Warm or cold?
You're getting warm, you're getting warm. Stop, stop. Go down the floor. Now go diagonally.
Which way? That way?
Yes, 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 yes.
Oh. Where is it?
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going.
Where is it?
Keep going.
Is it under? Ah!
Yep.
This is the lemon juice. Oh, I'm scared. I forgot this was a thing. Elbow macaroni.
Ready?
What was this? Oh, I forgot that. Oh my god, these are cans! I need a little help here.
You were so close, you were so close. Go back. Warm, warm, warm. No, cold, 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 cold. There you go, there you go.
Mushroom stems and caps. I don't like this. No, yes.
Cold, 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 cold.
Jinkies. My glasses! I have my glasses!
Okay, you're warm. Keep going. You're warm. Keep going. Keep going. There you go.
And tuna. That's enough of that shit. Oh. There's still the mayonnaise. I thought we were already done. Good. Hey, I matched the tuna.
Oh wow.
Chunk light tuna.
Look at that.
Am I chunk light, Dylan? Okay, hold on, wait. Do it. Let me have a chance to catch it. That sounded bad. Is that
No,
bad?
it's okay.
Heinz mayonnaise. Not a sponsor. Alright, that's enough of that shit actually. First step you're gonna get to do is the elbow macaroni pasta. So you take your big old chungus of a guy and we fill it up with water. Do you have a smaller pot?
Yeah, but it's dirty. That'll be.
So we take the big chungus of a guy, and then you immediately remember that we were gonna do this, that we were gonna start this before we did that. Oh! So we had the time to let that boil. So while this boils, you're gonna want to do something very important. You're gonna want to open up your pieces of stems and mushrooms. Do you think this is like painting with Bob Ross?
Painting with, yeah.
So I'm gonna beat out the little devil there. So it's very important. You're not gonna want. You want to keep the water in there. Hi kids. Good morning. Today, thank you for cooking with Ian. You just gotta open up your mushroom stems and pieces
You can drain that?
into the pot here. You're really gonna want to. You're really gonna want to. Dump it out. You don't really want to beat the devil. Beat the devil out of there. Maybe you want to throw this out. Looks. Poor thing. Don't be fucking with Bob Ross. Okay. So then we're gonna put this on the stove here. We're gonna put the mushrooms on the stove here. And what we're gonna add is the lemon juice. Dylan, where did you throw the lemon juice? I put it here. You don't want to pop that sucker. That's just for good luck. So you're done with your lemon juice. We're gonna take the juiced lemon from concentrate. We're just gonna wanna. Okay. Let that simmer, broil, and toil. We're gonna turn on. What is that? Front, rear, front. You don't want to let that simmer. Dylan, do you have salt? Do you have salt?
Yeah.
Where is it? No, tell me.
It's not kosher.
I don't give a fuck if it's kosher. It's going in my belly. So you're gonna want to take the iodized salt. I don't remember if you need salt or not. A lot of sodium. We're gonna add a little bit more. We're just gonna wanna. Is that the? Yeah, just modestly. Just modest. You're gonna want a big old spoon.
Out of that, yeah.
You want a big old spoon. Do you have any serving spoons or just this?
I think in there. If you want to go in there.
You expect me to go in that shit?
Oh.
Bro, that's like dumpster diving over there. I don't wanna mix her up a bit. And then while that simmers, I'm gonna do that. So, while we let the water boil, and we let the mushrooms simmer. All right, now this is good. This is an educational moment. Look at the mushroom. It should look like dehydrated piss. It should just look like you woke up
It
from
kind
like
of looks like squid too.
3 days, dude. Yeah, they were trapped in the can so long. Where else would they pee? So if things are looking like this, you're looking good. Oh, but in the meantime, we should open up the tunas. All right, now this is. We need to get this dumpster fire on. Okay, do you have a bowl? I need a bowl.
Up there.
You don't tell me what to do. So you're gonna want to get your bowl. I prefer the cool bowl, not the ugly piece of shit bowl. Dylan, your mother raised you right. Dylan, would Missy be proud of you right now?
No.
Yeah, that's right. Missy always told you, I remember, and she wasn't even my mother, to use the teal bowl when making tuna specifically. If you don't have yourself a tuna bowl, you should get one. They're really cheap actually, and they're really durable. Your little gerbil of children won't fucking tear them up. And you can buy it at your local Kroger. So you're gonna wanna find the can opener.
Oh, top.
Don't tell me what to do. Top drawer, I would have found it eventually. I would take the. You're feeding me rust.
Really? Oh.
What is that? Is that just like burgers? Well,
it's not
let's
there.
hope we don't get tetanus. Ooh, that's a nice can opener.
Thank you.
Did Missy get you this can opener?
Yeah.
Your mother would be proud of me. So we empty the tuna water out of here. Dylan, I think Missy would be proud of me. How wet does this get you?
Oh.
And then you're gonna want to dump it in your tuna bowl.
I'm gonna eat a little bit of that.
Dylan, no snacking.
So damn good. I'm sorry.
I've raised you right, and this is how you treat me. So then, after your first bowl of tuna, or can, you're just gonna repeat the same process. You know, the first thing they teach me about being a man is, oh. You know, the first thing they teach you about being tuna man, tuna boy, is it gets real fishy sometimes. You see a lot of fishy people. You see a lot of fishy people coming around these parts. Yeah. One time I see this boy. I think he was a Sam. He walked into this here bar, Fishy's bar, and he looked me dead in the eyes, and he looked at me. He said, "Fishy, we got some fishy business coming around these areas, these parts of town." So then I said to him, "Excuse me, this could get real messy. You know, Mike Rowe came down to visit, actually, to film an episode of Dirty Jobs."
No way.
So anyway, about this fishy boy. He said, "Fishy, I don't feel so good." I said, "Look, boy." I said, "Look, what kind of business are you bringing round here to my bar, Fishy's bar?" And he looked at me, he said, "Boss, I've been cleaning their money." And I looked at that boy, I swear, I said, "How are they cleaning money? You ever cleaned money before? You ever put clean money into the laundry machine?" Yeah, laundering money's a myth. It's a myth. It just falls apart at the end. So he said, Fishy, I don't think you understand. He said, they are coming for me right now. And that's, if that boy ever lied, he died an honest man. Let me tell ya. Them fishy businesses come up and took them straight out from, like, they just swooped in. It was incredible. So as you're finishing up your last can of tuna, you're really gonna want to ponder life and past mistakes that should have never been brought up. Missy. She just doesn't come around here these pods no more. Okay, as you're finishing up your last tuna can, you're gonna really want to make sure every nook and cranny is fiddle-dee dipped, you know, gone with the wind. You're gonna want to wash your hands, because, like I said, Mike Rowe came down here filming an episode of Dirty Jobs. You don't want to get your mayonnaise. Tuna is a collective experience. Come in closer. Okay, Dylan.
What's up?
You really didn't want to get in close on that shit.
Okay. All right, yeah.
Go easy on me. I'm a righty. How's it looking in there? We need to clean this up.
Yeah.
You know what they call these?
What?
Redneck ninja stars. I made it. Oh! Yeah, dude, I got it! Welcome to the fucking Kitchen Perfect. I just got lightheaded. So we must find our zen after cleaning up. Cleaning up, you know, is really a place to find your zen. It's really relaxing once you get used to it. You know, god damn it, this is pissing me off. Zen, where does mayo go? The fridge. Zen, okay. I'm not zen enough, Dylan. I just can't get zen enough.
Ian, put it down.
Dylan, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Ian. Come on. There you go. Drop him. Come on. Are you zen?
I'm zen.
Oh god!
We really gotta set this up right-handed next time.
I know.
Cause this is this is cooking in quarantine is a time to learn new talents. And my talent today, this month, is mixing tuna with my left hand before the water boils, in fact. Oh, you know what? However many globs of mayo I put down, that's the right amount of tuna right there. So the water is boiling. Now we can put in our famous elbow macaroni. Just kidding, this is Kroger brand. Kroger. So people often ask me, hey Ian, you're a cook. how much volume of elbow macaroni do I need for this tuna pasta? And you know what I tell them? I said, whatever your heart desires. If you want a little bit more, you can add a little bit more. If you want a little bit less, you can add a little bit less. You can't add a bit less, but you can definitely add more. Your brother was better than you. All right, now we gotta check in on how's our ah! I didn't know that would get so hot. It's meant for the hand. That's misleading. Like it's a handle, but oh, it's like it's inviting people. Okay, so this is simmering pretty. Do I get? Oh yeah, that's okay. Yeah, this is simmering pretty well. What was that one scene in Ratatouille? Keep your station clear. I don't know what she meant, what she saw in that. I don't know what that's about. What do you think she means by that? This is gonna be a little bit sloppy, but you know what? So are Joe's. Joe's are pretty sloppy. Sloppy Joe. It's hot in the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
Do you feel that?
Mm-hmm.
What? Let's open up
The windows are open. Wait.
No, they're not.
No, they're not. Yeah, open them.
Open them. I got it.
Open them. Oh, you gotta. They're right. Yeah.
That's dangerous.
No, it's to prevent people from like breaking in.
Oh, that's ingenious.
Yeah.
Oh, we need a colander. Or if you'd like, a whole bowl. That's what they used to call me back in high school. Whole bowl. So we're gonna wanna... There's a thunderstorm of brewing. Did you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Cooking is an art. You don't want to be sloppy. We're back to this. Never sloppy. You're never sloppy, son. Oh, that breeze feels magnificent. April showers brings May flowers.
Mm-hmm.
That's al dentist. Oh my god.
That feels amazing. Oh. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh my god! Oh, holy shit! Okay, all right. Oh. Hold on. Okay, I gotta. Oh, holy shit! Oh, I gotta go close my bedroom window.
Oh god.
Oh god! Okay. Oh, that breeze was nice.
We're not in Kansas anymore. That really scared the dickens out of me. Oh god. Alright. So now that your pasta's done boiling, you put the whole bowl in there and then you dump this out. You want to put the macaroni in the still hot bowl. And then you're going to want to keep the whole bowl, and then you grab this fella. And you're going to do the same exact thing. So then you're going to want we needed to save the liquid. We needed to save the liquid. Fuck. We're just gonna improvise. This happens all the time. And you're gonna wanna put this shit in that shit. Now, sometimes your tuna bowl may have some unexpected visitors on the trip. But that's okay because the tuna bowl is for everyone. You don't belong here, you scum. You're not tuna. You can never be like tuna. So after you give it a stern talking to, you're gonna want to take what was the juice of that. This is what you use the juice and splash it into that. Not all of it, just a little spritz and a splash. So tell me, how lemon juice do you think goes in here? I don't know. Whatever your little heart's content is. Do you want a little bit of that? And a little bit of that. Do you want a little bit of this? And a little bit of this. It's real simple. This whole cooking thing is real simple. Anyone can do it at home, even in quarantine.
But you still fucked it up.
I'm a fraud. I'm a fucking fraud! It's okay. So you're gonna wanna dump the macaroni into the tuna bowl. I'm sick of this shit. Nothing else is going into the tuna bowl. Only tuna!
Oh, nice.
And there you have it. Mix her up. Yeah, I take this down to the family barbecue. I really hope this is gonna be good enough for Al. Al's just my neighbor. He gets the better of me sometimes. And that's why I'm gonna be Al in the tuna cook-off. Now, I know it doesn't look like much, all right? But that's the key to it. This is Stoner Foods. It doesn't look good, but boy does it taste it. That's a little something I've been cooking up in the works. Cook it up. You get it. Cooking up. Like cooking. Alright, Dylan. It's time we eat. Well, boys and girls, we had a great time cooking this edible dessert. Not dessert. This isn't a dessert. This is a dinner. I hope you had fun cooking along with me at home today. And as always, stay safe in the kitchen. Dylan, how the hell would you rate this?
7 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
7 out of 10. This is good. What's up?
You're supposed to give me higher ratings. You're supposed to.
7 out of 10 is great.
Dylan, I rate this. I rate this. Remember fishies?
No. What are fishies?
Fish. Fishy's Bar.
What?
Fishy's Bar, named Fishy's Bar.
Where?
So I don't want you going down there, in fact. Cause you're just gonna bring some fishy business.
Back from fishies.
No, two fishies. They can't get away from it.
So
everywhere he goes is fishy.
So I'm the one bringing riffraff to fishies.
Riffraff is coming to fishies?
Yeah.
This is so fucking good. Okay. I would rate this 4 tuna cans, a little spritz of lemon, some mayo, and some elbow macaroni and mushrooms. Out of this meal, that's what I rate this. Okay. That was fucking exhausting.
That was exhausting.